What's going on, guys? This is Multi-Cubing here, and in this extra episode of the 2x2 tutorial series, I'm just going to show you quickly how to make both the two other main types of locking mechanisms for a 2x2. The first one I'm going to show you is the one that I've done before, which is the mechanism that the Chuwen 2x2 uses, which is where a corner locks into the edge. Okay, so here's how you want to do this. First thing you want to do on the corner is you want to be able to make something that is going to go into the 2x2 piece. So it's just under a millimeter thick, which actually is definitely too thin. So I'm going to undo that. So now we can actually dimension this. 1.5, and make this 3. And then we're just going to make a point actually in the center of this, and then again in the center of this, and then we can make an axis from there to there. Good. Now we can circular pattern this 3 times. Perfect. So now we're just gonna do a couple fillets. Okay, so with that done, we're gonna move on and do the work on the edge. So remember, it's 3 long and 1.5 wide. Then we're gonna go to the edge and do the same kind of thing. Now, because of the weird orientation of this edge, as you can see, what I would need I would need this axis to be like going right through here, or be parallel to a line going right through there. But since everything's off by a few degrees, it's effectively impossible to make the rectangle cut out in this edge that is needed. However, you could probably do that with another edge, but I'll explain how you would do it. You make a rectangle going in the same amount that the rectangle stuck out of the corner, so 3 millimeters in, and then 1.5 wide. Do the usual fillets, and that's it. And you would just cut all the way across here, and you would be fine. That's it. So I apologize that I cannot show you the full process for that, but this edge is impossible to work with. So, moving on to the next method. Okay, the second way is to use the center. Now what you gotta do for this is you do something very similar to what we just did. There we go. You need to make a hole in the center piece and a hole in a thing sticking out to the edge into the centerpiece, basically. Like so. So here's the slot. And this is 1.7 wide and 5 millimeters tall. And then you would just go here and you would do the exact same thing. Then you'd finish it and extrude it, and that's it. And that would go into the centerpiece. So those are the two methods for how to connect everything you need. All the cases result in a corner basically being bandaged to 3 centers around it. And the key difference with these two other methods is that it allows all the centers to be tensionable and makes the cube better because of that. That's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys found this helpful, and if you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to see more like this in the future. And anyway, I am Multi-Cubing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.